Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the top 10 small dog breeds for first-time owners. Number 1, the Chihuahua. The Chihuahua is a small and energetic breed that is perfect for first-time owners. They are easy to train and love to be around their owners. Number 2, the Pomeranian. The Pomeranian is a small, fluffy breed that is also easy to train and loves to be around their owners. They are playful and energetic, making them a great companion for first-time owners. Those are our top 10 small dog breeds for first-time owners. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.